So I'll talk about sway bar adjustable end links. We've got a full range. Let's see, this is for S197. This is for 550. This is for SN95 with our control arms and our front sway bar. And this is for IRS Cobras. So what's the purpose, and do you need adjustable sway bar end links? Well, they serve a couple of purposes. If you have a race car and you don't have like ABS that kind of does the brake thinking for you, if your sway bar is preloaded, like if to get like you're hooking your sway bar up, but to get the the one, you put one side in and put the other side in, maybe you have to pull it down and stick it in. You're preloading your sway bar, which means at some point you're going to lock up the front tire. So by having adjustable sway bar end links, you can make sure that it's totally negative, that that it slides in and out when you hook them up, and that way it's not preloaded. The other thing is you can also like adjust the geometry a little bit. Now, so when you lower your car, let's say you're up here, you lower your car, and what happens is the strut stays where it is, but lower control arm moves, and the sway bar, when you lower the car, the sway bar move. It's kind of a way to get the sway bar a little more parallel to the ground. If you lower the car, it goes up. So you can shorten it up and get a little more power. It doesn't have to be parallel. In my mind, I just think it looks better that way. It probably gives you better range of sway bar too. So, I mean, they're important. I mean, if you're a serious driver, have a performance sway bar on, you need sway bar adjustable end links. And I mean, at the very least, have one so that you don't preload your sway bar. Your sway bar isn't preloaded at any point. Oh, you also want to only hook your sway bar up when the car is on the ground and weight is on it, so you make sure that it's neutral. Another little tip, if I don't really recommend scaling cars for track day guys, but for a race car, in scaling it, you always want to unhook the sway bars when you scale the car, because you want to get the true weight